Welcome, magical beings. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an ATS-optimized resume from scratch using ChatGPT. Whether you're applying for a dream job or switching careers, this quick guide will help you bypass those tricky applicant tracking systems, ATS, that employers use to filter resumes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. First, let's quickly cover what an ATS-friendly resume is. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, and it's used by employers to scan resumes for specific keywords, formatting, and relevant information. If your resume isn't optimized for ATS, it might get filtered out before a human even sees it. Start by asking ChatGPT to help you create a clean, professional resume format. Keep it simple. Avoid fancy fonts, graphics, or images that ATS can't read. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Help me create a simple resume format for an ATS system, focusing on clean layout and keyword optimization. You'll get a basic outline ready for customization. Copy and paste it into your preferred word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and we'll fill out each section step by step with ChatGPT's help. The key to an ATS-friendly resume is matching your content to the job description. Use ChatGPT to extract relevant keywords and help you align your skills with the role you're applying for. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Analyze this job description and suggest keywords I should include in my resume for an ATS. To upload a file, just click the icon next to the chat prompt, or copy and paste the job description directly from the website. Next, use ChatGPT to help you fill in each section of your resume, starting with your contact info, followed by professional summary, work experience, skills, and education. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Generate a professional summary for a position based on my experience. Provide ChatGPT with details about your experience, skills. Don't worry about formatting, grammar, or spelling just yet. Here's an example of a professional summary based on the job description and after I provided ChatGPT with some basic details about my experience. Copy and paste again. ATS systems love bullet points. Use them to list your achievements and be sure to quantify your impact wherever possible. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Help me rewrite my job responsibilities using bullet points and measurable achievements. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can generate a professional ATS-optimized resume using ChatGPT. Keep the formatting simple, use job-specific keywords, and quantify your achievements for the best results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this helpful. And as always, let me know if you have any other questions about ChatGPT or resume writing. See you in the next video.